Okay, so everyone comes onto YouTube starry eyed and bushy tailed, ready to become the next YouTube star, ready to make money and quit their 9 to 5 until they post a few videos, they get 12 views, no comments, no likes, no money coming in. I know that feeling all too well. And that is where most people give up. That's why you're seeing creators left, right, and center starting to give up. But I did not give up. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 hard things that I did differently that allowed me to get monetized within 5 weeks to now 6 months in having almost 20,000 subscribers and now having my first $5,000 month. So, you definitely want to stay tuned. Definitely watch this video to the end, because if you watch it till the end, you're going to get a true value out of this. It's going to give you the clarity that you need and the vision that you need and the motivation that you're going to need to get through this journey, because trust me, it is so worth it. So let's get right into it. Hello, star creator. And yes, you are a star creator. I stopped referring to my audience as small YouTubers. You need to start seeing yourself as a star before you actually become a YouTube star. Speak those things which are not as if they were. There you go. Welcome. My name is Tate. I help small YouTubers and faith driven entrepreneurs and content creators, small content creators, grow their audience and monetize their audience. So, thank you so much for being here. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my journey on YouTube and the things that I did differently that have allowed me to actually have true success on YouTube. So, let's get right into it. Let's just get this out there. YouTube is hard. It is hard, and it is not for the weak. How do I know that it's hard? Because it has brought me to tears a couple of times. Yes, I admit it. And I've been wanting to give up over 100 times, including just a couple of weeks ago. Even after being monetized, even after everything I've told you, it is not easy. But I'll get into that in a little bit. So, now getting right into those 5 things that I did differently in order to see results on YouTube in record time. Number one is you got to commit and you got to hustle. Commit and hustle. So, what do I mean by that? Number one is you just need to commit that you are going to give YouTube a year, 2 years, 3 years. So I told myself that I was going to go all in on YouTube for 3 years, posting every single week, no matter what. And that was my commitment to myself, and I wasn't going to break it. And trust me, every week that went by, I wanted to break that commitment, but I said, you know what? I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do it. And it was really, really hard. Why? I have 4 children. I'm a wife. I'm a mom, very busy. There have been times where I had to miss going places with my family. There's been times when I haven't had time to clean my house. And somebody who's a perfectionist, who likes to see everything looking prim and proper, and just trying to juggle all the balls of being a wife and a mom and keeping the house straight and kids with homework and school activities, field trips, and having a toddler at home who's crying and screaming when I'm trying to shoot a video. And by the way, that is why I am sitting in my car right now, because this is the safest place where I can record videos. So you just have to be really scrappy with your videos. You have to throw out perfectionism, because when I first started, I actually invested in an expensive camera. I had a beautiful lighting setup and I was trying to look all prim and proper. And it would take me like an hour just to set up the lighting and trying to figure it out. And I finally got to a point where I was like, you know what? I just need to get this content out the best way I can. So literally, I just started using my phone, and I'm actually recording this on my phone because it is the easiest to set up. I literally just use my phone, this tiny little microphone, and a little stand. And I even started shooting videos even when I'm taking my baby for a walk, because that's what I needed to do to make it work. So, overthinking, perfectionism, all of these things have to go out the window. You're going to have to commit. You're going to have to say that you're going to shoot these videos no matter what, and you're going to make it work. So, what commitment is going to do for you is that it is going to help you Stay committed to your journey, even when you don't feel like it. Because if you're just going to rely on being motivated and feeling like shooting videos and whatever, that's why most people give up. Because there are times when I don't feel like shooting videos, when I've got absolutely no motivation. But I'm like, you know what? I made a commitment to myself and I'm going to do it. If you only shoot videos when you feel inspired or motivated, you're never going to really post videos enough to gain that momentum. And by the way, if you are a new YouTuber or you've haven't started a channel yet and you want to get started, be sure to grab my quick start guide to success. I'm going to link it in the bottom. I just added a couple new pages that talks about the 5 mistakes that a lot of new YouTubers are making and how to avoid them. So be sure to grab that in the bottom. So moving right along to the second thing that I did, and this is so important because a lot of people do the first part, and I've seen a lot of people that have completely committed to YouTube year after year after year and not seeing any results, just getting a few views here and there, but they're still in it. And this is the missing piece for them. It is lacking strategy and the knowledge. So the second thing that I did, that's the hard thing, was I spent as much time, or probably even more time. I spent more time studying YouTube like it was a full time job, like it was a business, like I was going to school. I was in YouTube school. I was learning about how the YouTube algorithm works, how to do your thumbnails to get people to click on them, how to structure your videos to get people to continue to watch your videos, all of those things. I was watching video after video after video, figuring all that stuff out. So I've seen a lot of small YouTubers and new YouTubers, they just wing it. They just get on YouTube, they just start creating videos, and they haven't learned a thing about YouTube and how it works and how content creation works, how video structures works, and all of that. You got to learn all of that. It's kind of like saying I'm going to be a nurse and then you don't actually learn like what it is that you're going to be doing as a nurse. People go to school for years to learn how to be a nurse. So on YouTube, thank goodness it doesn't take years to learn, but you need to learn. You need to learn. So that was the second thing that I did, was educating myself on how it works so that I'm not just working and creating content and winging it. I'm actually strategically doing what I need to do. So now moving on to the third thing that I did differently than most people out here on these YouTube streets, that is I found a way to get paid early. And actually, the way found me, because I was on Instagram and I kept seeing all of these people talking about how they were making $20,000 a month or more, selling digital products, monetizing their content. And at first I was skeptical, so I was like, okay, whatever. But I kept seeing it, just kept coming up. So I think maybe the Lord was trying to lead me towards that. So I looked into it and I decided to invest in this course. And this course completely changed everything for me because I was able to really learn how to grow an audience, how to talk to my audience, how to create a digital product, how to do affiliate marketing. And so when I first started this program, I wasn't really getting a lot of views, but I had learned how to put affiliate links in my description, and I started seeing money coming in even before I got monetized, before I started getting that YouTube check. And so that gave me a little bit of motivation as well, because I was like, you know what, it's not a lot, it wasn't a lot of money to begin with, but I was like, you know what, I'm actually starting to see something. I'm starting to see something coming out of all the effort that I was putting into my content. So that really helped me. So, number three is you want to invest into some sort of a coaching program, mentorship program, so you can learn how to actually build a business around your content. And this is something that I've been sharing on this channel as well. I teach people how to grow and monetize their account through the YouTube partnership program. But lately, I've actually been teaching more on how you can actually monetize your content before you even get monetized by YouTube, and you're actually going to make more money monetizing with digital products and affiliate marketing than you would just from that YouTube partner program. And somebody actually just left a comment on one of my posts right here on YouTube. So she left a comment on my post about how you should monetize your account with digital products. And she said, "You're absolutely right, Tate, because that's exactly what I've been doing. I only had 150 subscribers, and now I'm already making money offering a digital product to my audience that solves an issue or a pain point of my audience. And I'm already making sales and making an income with 150 subscribers, guys." So this is where it's at, guys. You need to invest in learning these skills in order to make money. In order for you to start making an income, you need to learn high income skills. There's no way around it. And you can piece together information that you get on YouTube and get so far, but you actually need like a coaching and a mentorship program. And I don't care if you get it from me or from somebody else, but you need to invest in educating yourself, because this is a new industry that you're getting into. It requires new skills, it requires new knowledge. So you can't just think that, oh, I'm just going to try and figure it all out. And you probably can, but it's probably going to take you 5 years, maybe 3 years to figure it all out on your own. So I actually decided that I was going to invest in educating myself and in a mentorship program from people who are actually on the level that I want to be, so I can be in the same room with those people and actually learn from them. So I decided to sign up for the Digital Wealth Academy with Richard and Rachel as our mentors. So they have live coaching calls. There's a community to keep you accountable. You can share your links in that community. And it's been great. And that is what has really taught me all the skills that I have learned for me to get to the point where I've made my first $5,000 a month. It didn't come easy, guys. It didn't come just from me throwing stuff around and just trying to figure stuff out. I had a clear roadmap that was laid out to me in this course. I was able to go through it, go through all the modules. And it was hard because there were times when the time that I said I started crying, it's because it's like I'm trying to create content. I'm also trying to take care of my family and my kids and my husband and cook and clean and all of these things. And I'm still having to learn all of these modules in this training program and be on all these live calls and do all of these things and respond to emails, respond to comments, and all of these things. It's been overwhelming to say the least. And talking about when I felt like giving up, I mean, literally like 2 weeks ago, I was praying to God. I was like, Lord, is this really what you want me to do? Because this is taking up so much of my time and energy. And I feel like it's taking away from me being a wife and a mom and just being present. And in my spirit, I felt like this is how it is when you start a business. It's like a baby, and right now it's kind of in its infancy stage. So it's a lot of intense work, but then it's going to get to another stage. It's kind of like where you're in a weird spot where you're making money, but you're not making enough to get people to help you with certain things. I just recently hired an editor, so that just helps me now. At least I've got that off my plate. But I'm still having to do emails and comments and all of those things, which I'm probably going to continue to do. It's a lot. It's a lot, but it's been worth it. So basically, number 3 is you want to figure out a way of how you can start making money early. So anyway, I'll put a link in the description to the Digital Wealth Academy if you want to join me in that mentorship program and you want to learn about growing your audience, creating digital products, building a business around your content. Then go ahead and click in the link in the bottom. And I will also give you access to a new community, a support community that I'm creating for people who are like minded, who want to create digital wealth, generational wealth, purpose driven, faith driven creators. So be sure to click that in there. So I will give you early access to that group if you do enroll in the Digital Wealth Academy. Leads me right into my number 4. I just merged 3 and 4 together because 3 was I learned how to make money earlier on in my journey with affiliate marketing, putting affiliate links from Amazon. And then number 4 was actually building a business around your YouTube channel. So I've already covered that, which is basically something that you want to do because you don't want to rely on that YouTube partner program, guys, because it's not a lot of money. It's not enough money for you to live on. If your goal on YouTube is to make enough money so that you can be a content creator full time or a business owner or leave your 9 to 5, then you cannot rely on the YouTube partnership program alone. So you have to build a business around your YouTube channel. So that's number 4. So now number 5, this one is really important. It is what is going to give you the foundation that is going to make your YouTube channel successful and your business successful. And so the 5th thing that I did that some people and most people maybe don't do is to genuinely be here to serve your audience. Because if you're here just to make money or just to create content, and if you switch that to, I want to serve my audience, I want to help people, I want to genuinely help people reach their goals, that is going to come out of your content. And I get so many comments talking about how people feel like I'm actually here to actually help them. And I truly am, because people message me all the time and ask me if I have a coaching program, a one-on-one coaching. I had to turn down so many people because I just don't even have the time right now. But I will still give them support over email, and I'll say, listen, I'll take a look at your channel. I will help you. I will look at it and I will give you some pointers. Now don't go flooding my inbox now, okay? Okay, go ahead and email me. It might take me a couple of days to get back to you. But yeah, I respond to every single email. I respond to most comments that I can, and people message me on my Instagram account, and I'm out here helping people and genuinely wanting to help people and wanting to see them succeed. And that right there is the ultimate secret sauce to success, guys, because you want to be genuine, you want to lead with value, because a lot of people come on YouTube and they're just talking about themselves, or they're shooting vlogs and whatever, and that stuff doesn't work, especially if you're new, guys, because listen, nobody wants to watch vlogs or things that doesn't benefit them. So if you're not showing up with value, if you're not out there to help people, and you're just, randomly creating content, you're not going to be successful on YouTube. I give all the information out here on these videos for free. And the stuff that I sell is just basically packaged in a way that goes, in sequence, so that you're not having to watch this video here and watch this video here, watch this video there. So like my fast track to monetization is just basically all the content that I share here for free, but it walks you in a step-by-step process that actually makes it easy to digest. But if you want to, some people are going to watch my free content and then they get all the information they need from it and they don't need to buy anything from me. And then there's people who want more help. They want something that is more structured to help them achieve their goals. And those people buy my fast track to monetization guide. And so I'm out here to help. In the process of doing that, the money just comes. The people just come. And I've had to turn down people. I would be making so much more if I had more time to actually put into it. Once things start to get better and I'm able to have one-on-one coaching and all of that, that's something that I'm actually looking into. And I'm actually working on a community that I want to set up to make it easy for me to help everybody within a community in a way that streamlines it. Anyway, that's for another video. But those are the 5 things, guys. So just to quickly recap everything, number 1 is you want to commit and you want to hustle. Commit and hustle. Do it when you don't feel like it. Do it fast. Do it. Commit. Number 2 is you want to study YouTube and actually learn the art and the science behind YouTube, so you're not just posting in vain. So you understand the art and the science behind YouTube and how the algorithm works. And I share a lot of videos on this channel on that. So go ahead and binge watch all my content and you will learn a lot just from doing that. And then number 3 is you want to find a way to get paid early. So that would be like the affiliate marketing. So find affiliate links, even on Amazon. That's where I got my first affiliate links, just posting little things like this microphone in my description. And if somebody orders, I make a commission off of that. So that's number 3. Number 4 is you want to build a business around your YouTube channel. Solve the problems of your audience with a digital product, maybe even physical products. Whatever it is, you want to build a business around your YouTube channel. Number 5 is be genuine, show up with value, show up to serve, and the money will come. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you really internalize what I said in this video, you will be successful. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.